Hello guys for another video. Today I will talk about the title and its importance to rank your design on Redbubble. For the people are new here in this channel, my name is Sad. I upload daily tips and tricks videos about making money online which branch in the med business. So if you're interested in this field, be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bells. So, first of all, you must know the factors that help client to find your designs. The first one is the title, the second one is the tags, and finally the description. But the description not have a much effect, so you must use a long tail keywords and put the possibility of keywords on the title to help more users finding your designs. So it's not mean that you can put anything in the title. You must enter keywords convenient and suitable for your design. If we open Etsy and search for any design, for example funny t-shirts, all these products are using funny t-shirts as a tags, or they put these keywords in the title. For example, this one, like you see, the title have the exact keyword we search for it, because the client doesn't know which t-shirt they must buy. They just enter a popular logical keyword. If the person wants a funny shirt, they simply enter this phrase on the search bar of any platform he wants, and then the designs show up and he can choose any design he wants. And there some people search for a specific idea in the internet, for example a specific phrase of animal or something like this, and because of that we must focus put some niche and general keywords on the title. So let's open Redbubble to upload a new design. I already downloaded this design from FreePic and I will do some change on it before I will upload it on my shop. And if you want to know how I edit elements from FreePic after I use them on my shop, just tell me in the description below. This design is from for unicorn lovers. So let's upload this design. Now, this design is for people who loves unicorn, but at the same time, the design is cute and colorfully. So the first thing we must do is explain the design. I show you guys here my own strategy, the strategy that make me more than 400 sales on Redbubble. So like I said, the first thing is we must explain our design. What is it, this design? And I will give you later an extension free on Google Chrome, will help you a lot to find keywords. So let's enter our title. Cute unicorn holds a beautiful princess. So this is the explain of our title. Now let's enter some niche keywords. Colorful unicorn, cute little girl. Now we enter some general keywords. Cute t-shirt for girls, best gift for unicorn lovers. Like you see, our title department to three parts. Like I said, the explain of the design. The second part, a niche keywords related to the design, and the final part are general keywords. And you can take your time when you enter your title, because the title is the most important element for ranking your design. After, you can enter your tags, and I already uploaded a video about the best free ways to find tags for your designs. Now I will give you the extension. Open Google Chrome Market and search for SEO Stacks keyword tool. This extension gives you the best keywords related to the word you enter. Also, you can choose the platform you want from here. And for the lazy people who want the easy way and the easy money, you can copy the title from a related design from Etsy, because almost all shops on Etsy use the same generic keywords on the title. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If so, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.